What's up guys, how you all doing? For today's video we're going to put to the test another Alpha Outpost subscription box. It's a camping survival gear. Let's open it up and see what's inside this box. Pop this open. This edition is Soul. What is this? No way. Oh wow, look at this magnifying glass. This is insane. That's probably will be super easy to start a fire with this magnifying glass. That's insane. Wow, it's huge. So I guess Soul, it's all about sun. Oh look, there's a little comics over here. What is this? Rechargeable camping lantern. Let's open it up. See what kind of lantern is this. There you go, there's a wire right here. Oh, I've seen those. These things are cool. There is also a solar panel right here. Whoa, that's bright. Oh wow, no way, there is a flashlight on the bottom. How do we turn it on? That's so cool. So you got yourself a flashlight, but at the same time you can use it as a lantern. Oh wow, you can use it at the same time, flashlight and a lantern. Crazy, I never seen anything like that before. And the best part is just leave it out and it's going to recharge automatically. There is a solar batteries down here and solar panel. Very nice. And what else we have here? Looks like we have two of them. This one is just black, same thing. And a third piece right here, flashlight radio. There's the cords for them to recharge them. Cool, you got yourself flashlight. I like that it already comes with the batteries. And then there is a radio. There is no radio signals around here where I live. There you go. We got a radio going over here. Okay, then you can turn it off and put it away. And once again, this is a solar rechargeable flashlight and flashlight radio. Very awesome. But at the same time, check this out. You can actually crank it up. If there is no sun, no big deal. You can crank it up. Boom. Close it up. Very nice. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this really cool gadgets. And there's a pouch right here. You can put all of your items in here. So next time I'm gonna go camping, I'm gonna grab this lanterns with me. Very high quality in my opinion. This is really nice. Especially the lanterns right here, look how bright they are. And also these things, you can hang it on something, so that way the whole tent is illuminated. There you go, the radio and two lanterns fit into this pouch really well. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about Alpha Outpost, this subscription box. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.